If you've clicked on this video, we'll be showing you the Marataba Mountain Lodge. If you've clicked on this video, we'll be showing you the Marataba Mountain Lodge, which is a luxury high-end lodge here in South Africa. Without further ado, we'll show you around. So before I go through to anything, this is a fairly small lodge, 5 rooms, maximum of 10 people. This lodge is classed as an eco lodge, so it's self-sufficient. There are solar panels at the back of this building behind me, so they have battery packs. So on days when it's cloudy and rainy and the lodge is producing more energy than what it can produce through solar panels, they have battery pack. They can store energy, so they can still meet needs. So it's completely off-grid. When you come to South Africa, there's a thing called load shedding. You don't have to worry about any of that here. So this main area where you come, as you can see behind me, just here, this is where you'll come up when you literally first arrive into the lodge. Pretty much, it is so small. We're here in the winter months, so it's quite dry, very cold. That's why I'm wearing like 5 different layers. Ellie's wearing a few layers behind. But in the summer, you'd sort of sit out here, you'd eat your meals, your lunch. Just as soon as you do come up from the stairs, there's a little seat and fire pit area. And basically in the evenings, when you come back from your evening game drive, the fire pit will be lit. After you've had dinner, you can congregate around with everyone else. You can talk about your game drives that you've had during the day, your highlights, obviously past other experience with a few drinks, wines, brandies, gins. And getting onto that, this lodge is all inclusive, by the way, so literally all your little amenities and that'll be all included. And just behind me is the main lodge area. You have a seating area, 2 fireplaces. In the winter where we are now, this is where you'll eat most of your dinners and lunches, breakfast, high tea. They feed you a lot here at lodges. If you've never been to a lodge before, you eat like 5 to 7 times a day, I'd say. During the day, like between our game drives now, we've got 4 hours. There's books you can read, there's chess. If you want to read up books on mammals, insects, bird life around the national park area, you're free to do that during the day. We'll show you the room tour in a bit, but I want to show you the other areas. If you come this way with me, come this way first. So here just behind me is a massage room. There's 2 massage beds in here behind. If you speak to the staff nicely in between your game drives, you can have a massage done here, by the way. And if we come down here, we'll show you the pool area. So take a walk with me and we'll show you. So here we are. This is a pool area. I mean, we're here in the winter, so I mean, it's like ice. That water is freezing, but as like around here, I mean, in the summertime, between I'd say probably November to March is going to be the warmer months, so you can get in the pool. It's quite deep. I'd probably say it'd come up to here. So I'm 6 foot, 1.7 meters. I don't know what it is in feet, but you have 1.7 meters. There's a few little sunbeds. You can just relax during the day. You've got 3 little sofas, and if you come over here as well, there's actually, before you get in the water, there's an actual shower, quite a big shower you can drip yourself off with before you get in, to get yourself used to the water. And when you come back out, to rinse all the chlorine and that off, which is actually really handy. It's really nice. And just to let you know here, I don't think you're going to get elephants here around the pool sucking up the water, because there's quite a bit of vegetation. There's acacia trees. I mean, this morning we had lions outside the lodge where there's paw prints, but we didn't get to see them, unfortunately. Ellie just said to me, let me know, there are elephants that come up, but I've never seen or read anything on TripAdvisor. I haven't read anything on TripAdvisor about that at all. In the summer, I can imagine that being gorgeous. We would love to go in here, but we can't because it's just too cold. I mean, it's 18 degrees, nice now in the sun, but don't let that fool you. Just to let you know, we will be doing a video. We'll be having safari videos you can watch along with us while we're at the lodge, and we will be doing a guide on what to expect from safari if you're coming here for the first time like we are, so we can give you a guide for you. And if you come back up this way with us, we will show you our room tour. But just quickly, before I do show you the rooms, where we were in the main lodge bit, there's a room behind there that's got one toilet, so you don't have to walk back to your rooms, because obviously there's 5 rooms here. We're in room 1, and they obviously recommend you don't walk at night because it's not a gated lodge. So at night, you know, there's wild animals, you sign an indemnity form, anything can happen. We'll go this way, we'll do a room tour. As you can see from the terrain around the mountain lodge, we highly recommend you wear appropriate shoes if you're thinking about coming to the lodge. Something like boots or trainers at least, no sandals, because you will be, as you can see, hiking to and from your room on a daily basis. And also we recommend this lodge is not advisable for anyone with mobility issues, as you can see. Right, we've just come here to Marataba Mountain Lodge. We've got room number 1 on the lodge. We're not 5 rooms away. If you see me a little bit teary, it's because we're just overwhelmed with being here at the moment. They're bringing suitcases up, so better be quick and do the room tour. So if you come in here with us, we'll give you the grand tour. This room is gorgeous, by the way. So, come in the main area, we've got the bedroom, which looks so comfy. You're seeing this the first time as us, by the way. We've just been shown literally 10 seconds before. Got a gorgeous bed, and if you swing this way, we have an open deck, which I'm probably going to be waking up, we're going to be waking up at 1 in the morning to see the Milky Way, because it's Milky Way season between March and October, so we'll be seeing that. Oh, look, we've got a magnificent view of the Waterburg Mountains. If you see the smoke in the distance, they do controlled burning. They told us they burn the dried grass, and then when the spring rains come, it'll flourish new green grass for you. I think that's our suitcases, so hold with a second and we will be back. Our suitcases have literally just come, so if you come around here, obviously we just showed you we've got that magnificent, this is like one of the best views we've ever had in a room just here, and we have at night time, they put this on when we come back from an evening game drive, which was due to go on in about 20 minutes. So we'll pop this on. In these wardrobes we have storage space, there's a hairdryer, and some mini kit with a wash bag. They said if you just leave your clothes on the bed, they'll wash it for you. And we have a safe in the room, more storage space and hanging space up in here. We have universal plug sockets. Even though South Africa has weird plug sockets, you don't have to worry. Yeah, you've got a universal, you've got a little dressing area. All the coffee and that all here is all complimentary. So you've got decaf, there's coffee pods, gin and vodka and brandy and whiskey if you're into it. Some Pinot Noir, red wine, which we've had on Franchoke wine tour recently. And then we have more, we've got like a French coffee press, a little kettle in here, and we have a fully stocked little mini bar, which is all inclusive. You've got Coke, Schweppes, some beers, ice, bottled water, wine, milk. And we'll come back this way, we'll show you the bathroom very quickly. Ellie can probably go around this way and come in. So we have a very cute little sink area. Nice mirror on the level frame. Oh, it's so gorgeously laid out, I love it. We have the pooping room, a throne, as people like to call it, and then we have the gorgeous luxury rain shower here. So we're going to quickly freshen up, and we have a game drive in approximately 15 minutes. Oh, I can't wait. So yeah, we'll get ready and then we'll catch you out on the game drive.